Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, February 22nd, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had a spectacular day today, but before I talk about our, our gains, I'm going to do another long view on the Dow here. The Dow closed above 26,000 today, and that's quite significant. I've showed this chart many times, but you can over here. This is the all-time record highs for the Dow, which occurred the end of September, early October, and then we went into this huge slide, which climaxed on Christmas down here. And since Christmas, we've had a very steady climb through today, which, as I said, the Dow closed above 26,000. Now we are currently within 1,000 points of taking out those all-time records highs, and of course we're like 4,500 points from the Christmas low. So I have little doubt we'll be taking out um, those highs fairly shortly. But it's been a really good run for us, and obviously I'm quite happy about it. Okay, um, here's how we did today. We had 5 positions coming in, and we carried one of those into today, and that was our biggest position. That's because we, in effect, did not close out our best position. We had negative $6,500 in closed out trades. Okay, that's the bad news. Here's the good news, folks. We got into 19 new positions today. 13 were positive, only 6 were negative, and we are carrying positive over $29,000 over the weekend until Monday. And unless some disaster happens over the weekend, we're going to do real well with that. I would be great if we could just get a little positive open with the Dow on Monday. Good chance, we're going to be closing out $40,000 on Monday. That's my hope. But again, I've been in this game too long to not know that you can get very disappointed sometimes. So we'll just wait and see. But right now, as it stands, we have over $29,000 in open trade equity in what appears to be a roaring bull market. Let me show you 3 of our stocks today, all of which are really good. This one I'm showing you because we closed this one out. This was our one good trade of those closeout trades. This is SENS, which is Sensonics Holdings Incorporated, and we had bought this yesterday with about 90 minutes to go. Don't know what happened here. Suddenly this thing just took off like a bird, and it closed here. It popped up really nice this morning. It would have been nice if we'd known that we just get out on the open, but we don't get out on the open. We hold it a little bit, and we ended up getting out here, which still isn't bad. We took over $4,000 in profits out of Sensonics Holdings. And then this is Roku Incorporated, and this thing popped. Look at this gap. I mean, this is massive gap up this morning. We buy those gaps. They are frequently profitable, and the thing just kept going. And we are holding positive $7,000 in open trade equity in Roku. So that is really nice. And then I'll show you the monster trade. This is the trade we had bought yesterday. Actually, that's a buy on a re-entry. We took a little trade, got out of it yesterday, and we got re-entered it, and it actually closed against us with a small loss yesterday. And then look what it did today. This thing just, it goes totally bonkers. And of course, when that happens, we stay in it. We stayed in it. This thing almost closed near its high, and we are holding over $11,000 in ASEA Communications. If I didn't say that before, it's ASEA Communications. It's ACIA. Fantastic trade. Just a fantastic trade so far. Anyway, that's the way it went. Hey, I'm going to have a fantastic weekend, and I'm not going to worry about this 29,000 as long as it's positive. And I will be back here, of course, on Monday. And if you follow my videos here, you're going to know how we did. This is Trader Bob signing off. You guys have a fantastic weekend.